Well, welcome to the end of the semester. It is time to save your courses so that you can have access to all of your materials, assessments, everything that you've got, that you've worked on all year long. You want to make sure that you save those so that you can use them again next semester. So the first thing that we can do, we've got several options here. But if you click on courses, your drop-down menu, and just go straight to See All. And then you can find the course in your list here, whichever one it is that you want to carry over to the next semester. If you just click this gearbox here, and you can click Copy Section, you can make a duplicate of the course that already exists. Of course, it'll be empty. There will be no students there, and so you can start completely from scratch at the beginning of next semester whenever you're ready. So you'll click Copy Section. It brings up this menu. You would set the new grading period to whatever the next semester is going to be. Fill that in. You're more than welcome to change the section name if you wanted to make it a little more noticeable to you, so that you know what semester that course belongs to. So, fall 2018. Fill it out and then just click Copy. And then Schoology will run everything it needs to run, and you'll see your brand new course in your list up here when it's done. And so when the school year starts, you open that course and grab your new access code, deliver that to your students, and you can get started with all of your materials where they are supposed to be. Another option that you've got here, if you wanted to kind of start from scratch and build a new course, but kind of pick and choose which resources and materials that you wanted to save, or if you wanted to just save all of the materials and resources so that you could use them and rebuild a course. You kind of from scratch there, you can go up here to Options and click Save Course to Resources. And then by default, if you just click Submit when this menu comes open, all of your resources will save in your personal drive. So if you click Resources and Personal here, whatever course that you've got would be in a folder here. There you go. Would be in a folder named like this. The folder would have the name of the course that you've got. So you click on that, and then all of those resources would be available to you there. But of course, say maybe you are moving, you're changing to a different school, or you wanted to leave behind or share those assessments and resources with another teacher. If you click Save Course to Resources, and then click on your collection here, if you have a group set up, you can click the name of the group and then share that group space with some of your other teachers. So you just click that and it would go anywhere there. Or of course, if you're in a school already, you could pick the name of the school that your account is attached to, and you can share that, and anybody who has access to that school could find and use those resources as well. And then you can pick a folder, if there happens to be a folder in that group that you could categorize or organize your materials into. Of course, this collection has no folders in it already, so there's nowhere for it to go. Click Cancel. And of course, if you just wanted to save one folder or one particular assignment to your resources, same thing, you just come here, you go to this little gearbox, and you can copy to a course if you make a fresh one, or you can save it to your resources using the same procedures before. Picking the collection, personal, group, or school, and then of course picking a folder where you would like it to land. And then just click Save, and Schoology does the rest. And as long as you go back up to this Resources tab, you can find everything else that you need